Hello, everyone. Happy Submission Day. Today, I am going to walk you through how to submit your Build a Character template for the Build a Character Challenge in 2026. This challenge is 100% free to enter. Please remember to register on the website at the link in the description box if you have not done so already in order to submit. From here, you will need to get your character template that you have hopefully completed at this point, 100% every single question, or you could come down on the AutoCrit hub and you'll see a copy of that template along with the guidelines for the challenge pinned here. So if you have not already filled yours out, go and then click on the template and you can copy and paste it into a blank file. So I'm just going to click with my mouse, highlight the form all the way to the end, click copy, which you could do by right clicking or by clicking on the keyboard Control C if you're on PC. From there, you're going to go to your Writer's Desk tab on the left-hand toolbar. This is where you are going to submit your completed template. If you have written your template outside of AutoCrit, go ahead and upload it here. Just remember, it can't have any images or formatting of any kind, so strip that out before you bring your file in. If you've written yours in AutoCrit or you would like to do yours in AutoCrit, click the Add button and click the red File button. This will open a blank file that you can paste your template into and make sure that every single field is 100% answered. We don't accept not applicable or merged answers with see above, see below. You can see all the guidelines in our guideline submission video that went up on Tuesday on our YouTube channel. So once you have completely filled out the form, you're ready to submit it the way it is. You know you won't make any more changes. That's when it's time to hit the Save button on the right-hand toolbar right here. Clicking on that button should open a pop-out. Now, if you see this version of the screen, what that means is that you have a cache that's too full to load your page. So click the Control F5 key on your keyboard to reload. This will give you a fresh session with a clear cache, and then you should be able to see the submissions button as well as all the other features available offline and sharing that you wouldn't have had when your cache was too full. Click on the submissions button and check mark the box that says Build a Character Challenge. That will bring up in the top right corner your submission has been received. If you have pop-up blockers turned on and you don't see that, go ahead and go back into the Save button and click Submissions again. And what you'll see is a grayed out version of this box. That means that your submission has been received and you can no longer submit again. You cannot make changes once you've submitted something. So it's important that you do not click this box until you are 100% sure that the version that you're submitting is the version you want to be judged. After that, sit back and wait, and we will be announcing the winners on Tuesday. If time zones are a thing for you, like they are for some of the people on our team, because we're across so many different time zones here, remember that there's a countdown timer that is not time zone specific. While submissions end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time, you can see exactly how much time you have left by looking at this checkout box. We also have a human support team available in the help bubble here. If you have trouble submitting, please reach out to us for help. We recommend that you do this earlier in the day instead of waiting until the last minute. Don't wait and give yourself an opportunity to miss out. Get this in as early as you can. With that, I wish you the best of luck. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody. Bye.